You'll never believe all of the amazing things you can find just by going to the Habitat Restore store. Idea to build something. You know how that goes, right? Me wanting to build. But I'm going to use pieces that probably you would never think to use. And I'm going to build something fantastic, starting with this item. Well, it looks like some louver shutter doors, but once I finish spraying, sanding, and doing what I do, she's gonna look really, really good, and I've got the perfect place for her. So stay tuned, because it's going down DIY style. Randall and Rashida at the Restore Habitat store. Check them out. Don't sleep on Habitat. Just saying. All right, so I've decided I'm going to do two things. I'm going to use my nail gun, my framing nail gun. There is a difference. See how big this is, and it's at an angle. It takes 21-degree nails. I'm going to nail it. I've already marked off my studs. Come around this way, Kyle. So I've marked off where my studs are, here, 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 and of course there's always studs on the corners. I'm just making sure it's level because I put the first nail in. Go ahead and nail that in. Fire in the hole. Boom. Note to self.
I didn't get that one. I didn't get that.
You didn't get that?
No, I didn't. I just got the nail.
Wow. Note to self, turn your air the other way.
Your valve. Your valve.
Take your whole situation out. Boom. Done. All right, here we go. Let's run some behind the scenes. If you stay with me this week, I'm going to show you a little bit by bit, how I transformed the spaces beside my fireplace, the left side and the right side, into something amazing for $50. What? It looks so good. 2 days in, maybe 2.5 days, because I'm going to do some touch-up work today. But overall, it's amazing. Nothing like a good shimmy dance to say winning. Stay with me. Stick beside me.